What's up, everyone? It's me, Jake, and today I'm inside now. Right now, I want you to take a look at this plane. You know what this airline is? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's Southwest. Southwest Airways Airlines. Let's use a look. Southwest. Air France.
Is that him, Chris? Oh,
no. Huh?
You said Chris flies for Southwest?
Yeah, he flies for the airline.
See him?
Wait. No, he doesn't. I don't think he's working today. He only leaves from the domestic concourse. I cannot believe I could see it in Concourse F. Okay, want to move on down there? I want to see some stuff down there.
I'm sitting right here.
Oh, please. Come on.
I mean, what?
Can I just look at it? Go look at
What
it.
are we going to say?
So look at these. See, there's Southwest there. Look at that. I'm so serious. Look at it. I don't catch a flight. Let's catch a flight. I don't catch a flight.
Where you want to go?
I want to go
Japan?
whatever that plane goes to. I want to go whatever that plane goes to.
Chris, look at his number. Tell him we wouldn't get on this Southwest flight.
Well, you know, Chris.
Delta.
Chris. Oh, that's the Sky. That's Delta Sky Team.
Oh, that was waiting to unload that Southwest jet.
Well, let's catch a flight.
Look.
Oh my
Film
God.
that. Film that. The gate going back.
They're leaving now.
Now look at that. Look at the gate.
It's
going
the 700. Let me fly. Oh my God, we missed a. Hey, I want to go whatever that Air France plane is going to. It's a 777.
back to Europe.
Do you want to go catch it?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Go. How am I? Oh. Hey, do you want to go over there and check out the airlines?
Well,
Let's go. I just want to look at it. I just want to look at it. Oh, look. What the heck? 200. That's 200. That's 200. 200. 757. 200. I'm plane spotting. Hey, Southwest. I'm waving at the passengers. Hey, look at me.
there's no one in there, is there?
Wait.
Well, they're fixing to push back.
Wait. That's economy class still right there, right?
It's small.
The
That's
whole
supposed
thing-
to go into like a. Look at it, it's pushing back.
Well, it isn't.
You filming them push back?
Is it going to Toronto? I know WestJet. I see a WestJet airline plane.
Look at it.
Yay! Bye, Southwest
Look at that
Airlines.
thing that's
Where?
pushing back.
Where?
You
I'm
see
an
the-
airplane.
The machine.
I just want to fly
Pushing
this
back.
ride. Ooh! MD-88 taking off. And I don't know why
Hey,
that's. Why is that
Jackie, look
700
here.
still out there?
You know what? These are good jobs down here too.
That 700 still
They
there.
pay pretty good loading them up.
Hey, come on. Good. Okay, so we're not putting. I can see other airlines. Still Southwest there.
See, look at this. That thing's pulling him all the way out there.
Look.
Listen to
No,
this.
stop it.
There's another MD-88.
Yeah, another ND8.
They're gonna push this one Southwest back to the gate.
Who? This one?
This Southwest over here is coming to the gate.
So, that's what I thought.
That plane there, I guess, is gonna get serviced.
What? This one?
The one with the white thing in front of it.
Do you want to catch it? Let's catch it. You want to catch it? Because Hey, you want to look over
Here,
there?
this one's coming in. It just landed. It's fixing to
Do
land.
you want to check other airlines over there? I want to.
No, there's no others. We're at the end of the.
I think we